is that? Is that Mickey? Mickey Mouse?
Legit, I want to know what the next Money Monday tip is. Now, I know that sounded set up as a opening to whatever you're going to say next. But since you started this channel, which we've talked about you starting this channel more than a year before you actually started it. So every Monday I do actually go and I buy through my Robinhood account the stocks that you do, and I'm not even just...
I have made Alex spend, how much did you spend already? Like $16,000 on his portfolio, which is amazing because now he's investing, and in a few years time that money is gonna grow. Hey, what's up frugal people? My name is Andrei Jikh and welcome to Money Monday episode 7. I can't believe we've made it this far. I thought I would have drowned in my depression by this point. Nah, that's a weird start. That's a weird start. What's up frugal people? My name is Andrei Jikh and welcome to Money Monday episode 7, where in this video series I share with you guys my latest stock that I buy from the stock market, and it's a dividend stock using the Robinhood app where I get to make trades for free. And these stocks, don't care what they're worth, they could be going up, they could be going down. The main point is that they are providing me cash flow and they're paying me every single month or every quarter to just passively hold on to them forever and ever. And you guys get to copy everything I buy, but I'm gonna try to integrate some of the more interesting parts about my week. Also, it snowed in Las Vegas for the first time since I pretty much graduated high school, which was in 2008. You need warm hands for cardistry, so no cardistry today. Maybe another time.
People like in the hot tub, and I don't like that. So I'll be all by myself so I could get naked. By the way, do you guys like cheese?
Love cheese.
Hey Andrei, I have a question.
What's up?
Do you want to build a snowman? So then I said, you know, what goes good with this? A bottle of wine. And hey, our friends are coming over, so why don't we just...
It's like the total creeps. It looks very European.
Yeah, I love it.
So this is the tour of my place.
All right.
A little piece from, I mean, because you're also from, well, you're from Russia.
Yeah.
Do you have
We have kolbasa, which are like just...
What did you call me? A lot of people ask me, how do I come up with these genius ideas for playing cards?
Oh snap, this, I heard this thing is like $300.
It's, yeah, about that. But I have a lifetime supply of Knox, my friends. So whenever it's time to release a new deck, I think to myself, this is a nice color. And then I get this baby blue. And that's how the summer Knox were born.
Is that the latest one though, or is the Shin Lim one's the latest one?
Oh, I can't tell you about the latest. Yeah, the Shin Lims are the latest ones, but the other ones, I'll show you off camera right here. They might be.
I'm not recording.
Off camera, they might be one of these.
One of these, one of these couple thousand.
All good. Since this is a rental, I only brought a few decks of cards just to play around with. And this is my collection right here. People always ask me, I want to see your collection. I don't have a collection, and this is just the stuff that I had sent for pictures, one of each, etc. So,
what's your favorite?
Favorite ones, I mean...
Oh, I have these.
Those ones are and I only have 2, so for people thinking that I have a lot, I literally have 2. That's all I have for myself.
I don't believe you. Let's check under the couch here.
Super Knox are nice. The second version coming up in about a month or 2. These are the Defada signature collab.
Ooh.
Blue.
These look good. Huh.
Oh.
How many Knox would you say you have now on the market?
I know there's at least 20 different styles. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Bicycle.
Bicycle who?
Exactly.
Oh. So after Alex showed us his epic card collection, we went back home, 24 hours happened. What's up, Alex?
What's going on, internet world? Financiers. Is that a word?
That's a word.
It's a word now.
Oh, look at you. You rocking a Canon?
Well, we just finished filming.
What did we film?
We filmed a nice cardistry tutorial because I cannot do any cardistry, so I had the help of the one and only man behind the camera.
Hey guys, if you guys missed my video that I released this weekend, actually Friday, click this video where you get to learn a card flick that I taught Harry Potter for For the movie Now You See Me. Legit, I taught Dan. If you missed
Call him
it.
Dan now. Dan. He goes
We're on a
by
first name
Harry
basis.
Potter, and you are on a first name basis. This is who I'm hanging out with. Guys, check him out.
So one of the videos that we're gonna drop pretty soon is going to be about Alex. He is one of my good friends and he's a real hustler. He makes some serious money doing what he loves, and this is what this channel is all about investing in yourself. I'm not gonna spoil the video, but the next video that you're gonna see of him is going to be a video about how he spent a couple $100,000 buying playing cards. Playing cards, look. All right. What is this, the worm? It's the mutilated worm.
What the heck, man? Are you making fun of my cardistry?
Dude, that's like the worm, but the like mutilated worm.
Mutilated. You're mutilated, okay? Andrei.
Yo.
What is the next Money Monday tip? I need to know. That exact phrase was sort of set up, but like legit, since I started watching your channel, since the day that I was since
He's not from here. He's Romanian.
I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. How do I look?
You look great. You've got a way more flattering angle than I do. I'm like...
Well, I just think that you did me a service by, instead of me taking that money to the casino, since we are in Vegas and gambling my life away, I do something good with it. And to be totally honest, I do invest a little bit here and there on random things, but dividend and passive income and all of that stuff was always a blur for me. So I wish I would have started when I was like 15, 16, when my mother told me to. She said compounding interest, passive income, and
Your mom told you that?
Legit, she started my own account. It was, I think she put $1,000 in it, and it was when I was 15 years old, and I was supposed to grow it, and she put it when I was like 17, and I used to go party in Europe. I took out that money, and I wasted it all, and now I am here starting to invest.
I wish my parents talked to me about investing and told me to do that stuff.
It's one thing to be told, it's another thing to actually listen.
Yes.
And now that we have things like YouTube and these tutorials of how to do everything basically in life, you know, I started my company and I learned to film, to edit, to use Final Cut and Photoshop and Illustrator and all this stuff through YouTube. So it's just cool that you're doing have this platform to do this kind of stuff.
Remember, the first best time to start investing was yesterday. Second best time is today. So start, and with that said, let's buy our stock of the week. Money Monday. As you guys saw, the stock pick of the week was ABBV, which is AbbVie, which is a spin-off of Abbott Laboratories, which is a pharmaceutical company. I bought 2 shares at $79 and some odd cents, which adds a forward dividend of $8 and about 50 some odd cents on the year, forever and ever, for as long as I hold this stock and as long as this stock continues to pay out and hopefully increase its dividend, which, hey, that's $9 that I will take, okay, $8.56 that I will take every single year for the rest of my life. Yes, please. Feel free to copy me. I'm gonna link in the description below where you guys can do your own research for all the analysis. If you guys like to get into the technicals, do all the math yourself, that's fine. That's not the scope of this video, but just wanted to share that with you guys if you wanted to do that. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and I'll see you guys probably very soon. Thanks for watching. I should come up with a new, I don't know. What else?